Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best cot. Here are the top 3 cots that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. TETON Sports Outfitter XXL Camping Cot. It is a durable, comfortable camping cot. It is made from military-grade polyester and has an aluminum frame for strength. This cot can hold up to 350 pounds and folds down to only 12 inches thick when not in use. Its carry bag makes it easy to transport this camping mat anywhere you need it. This cot is made with extra wide, durable mesh to provide maximum comfort and breathability. At number 2. Coleman Packaway Camping Cot. This camping cot is lightweight and easy to assemble. It includes a side storage pouch for storing small items like clothes, books, or a flashlight. This cot has 2 heights, one that can be used on the ground and another that can be used with an elevated surface like a picnic table or tree stump. This camping cot folds up into its own carrying bag for easy transport. It's perfect for camping trips because it's easy to carry and fits in the trunk of your car. At number 1. REDCAMP Folding Camping Cots. It is a lightweight, compact sleeping solution for your next outdoor adventure. This durable and versatile cot can be used as a chair or dining table while you're on the go. It features an easy-to-use quick-release button that lets you fold it up in seconds. Whether you're going camping with friends or hiking solo, this portable bed will make sure you have a comfortable night's sleep. This cot has a durable steel frame with welded joints that are strong enough to hold up to 250 pounds. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.